What's up, you guys, and welcome to another video. This is me opening a package. I'm bringing out the package, showing you guys what's actually in the package, what it comes with. It came with a cap and some little braid jewelry and some lashes. That's not all that cute, but I mean, they're free. And this is the wig. I was trying to be on live and I was trying to unbox at the same time, so I just keep looking the other way, laughing. They was asking me to try it on. No, because you're not gonna have me out here looking dumb. Alright, y'all not gonna screen record these braids. No, y'all not. Anyway, so yeah, this is me showing them or whatever. And yeah, check out this wig. What's up, and welcome to another vlog. Y'all see my thing, whatever, headband with. But so we're gonna get started with this. So what I'm about to do is probably just go in the parts with like some concealer and some pressed powder makeup to make these parts not ashy. But I guess let me see how it looks with the don't be looking at my braids, man. Don't be looking at my braids, man. So I don't even think I want to do the whole spray and all that, so I'm just gonna get my makeup. I don't know where my makeup at. I don't know where it's at. Actually not that bad. Y'all see? Bro, I can't wear this. It probably look okay on camera, but I'll just be feeling like people looking at my or should I just go in like this? Ooh, why is this thing so short today? Anyway, what should I just go in like this? Or get a brush? Get a small brush Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, man. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up and them nasty up. Fix this.
See it.
Alright, yes. From you see me a cleanest. Close up me rockin' and the fucking realest. Chick chick chick. Inna the movie V-best. Girl want with this quick silicon and real bless. Can I roll up loose but the head and the thickness. Coolness, please that me rockin' a seamless.
Look at that wrinkle. It's so wrinkly. So, anyway. I can't ever do two things in one. I had already started putting the glue on her before I even press play. But anyway, I didn't put no glue in the middle because I just felt like it just needed some Got2b spray. But those sides are really hard. Like on any wig, the sides are harder to lay down. So I just only put glue on the sides, and I'll just spray the middle with Got2b.
Check the tag, now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the whoop. 700, 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
When I tell y'all, I was trying to do two things at once. Anyway, when I tell y'all, I just kept trying to get so close to this mirror because I just feel like people's gonna be looking in my head like. So I'm just like so close because, you know, I want to see what they see. So I gotta make sure, you know, get close and get in there. So, yeah.
Insert.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry.
So here I am trying to test out this synthetic. Baby, no. I tried to do a little test strand. It didn't work out. It was too high. It just got straight. Like, it wasn't working out. And then I'm just looking dumb. No, it didn't work out. So I had to improvise, baby. I had to work those fingers and that spray.
So rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. So rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby.
Anyway, you guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look. I was doing some videos for the company review thingy. Anyway, so this is the look. I don't know. Hold up, let me show y'all the full effect. Hold up. Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, that girl got braids. Braids. That girl got braids. Oh, and her hair is laid.
Well, you guys, this is the finished look. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because I'm a vibe. And if you got a company, if you want me to do a wig, you know I'm gonna slay that thing to the gods. Just, you know, hit me up. Information, the contact is gonna be down below. Y'all go check out my other videos, like, because I'm a vibe. I don't just put on wigs, I do everything, like everything. Okay, so bye.